decided just to finish it off. So this is part 2 of the Floyd Warshall algorithm. The next one we'll have a look at is B to D. I'm not going to see that. Whoops, undo. So I'll write that over here. B to D goes B. Let me undo that as well. B to C plus C to D. B to C is 1. C to D is 4. So we end up with 5. Is 5 less than 2? No, it's not, so we're going to keep the 2 there. We'll have a look at A to D. Sorry, D to A. So we're having a look at this one now. It goes D to C plus C to A. D to C is 6. C to A is infinity. So we're going to leave that as 2. D to B. D to B, D to C plus C to B, D to C is 6 plus C to B is infinity. We're going to leave that as 5. And then we go through again using D as the intermediary node. So I'm going to rewrite this table. I'm going to write it here. You're not going to be able to see it. I will change colors. So 0, 3, 4, 5, infinity, 0, 1, 2, infinity, infinity, 0, 4, 2, 5, 6, 0. And we are working with, sorry, I put my lines in. I'll scroll up so you can see. We are working with the last column and the last row because D is the intermediary node now. So we're going to say A to B goes A to D plus D to B. A to D is 5. Good, you can see it. A to D is 5. D to B is 5. So 10. 10 is not less than 3. A to C, A to D plus D to C. A to D is 5. D to C is 6. So that's 11. That's not less than 4. Let's have a look. Can we make that 0? We're not going to make it 0. We've got no negative edges. So this one I'm not going to do. I'm going to work on these infinities here. That should be a 0. So C to A is C to D plus D to A. C to D has a cost of 4. D to A has a cost of 2. So we're going to have 6. So that now upgrades to 6 or updates to 6. C to B. Can you see C to B there? No, you can't. C to B. Cool. Goes C to D plus D to B. Yep, you can see that. So C to D has a cost of 4. B to D, sorry, D to B. D to B has a cost of 5, so we end up with 9. So that infinity will upgrade to 9, and that's the end of it. So our final table will be 0, 3, 4, 5. Infinity. No, we shouldn't have an infinity there. Why didn't that an infinity update? Oh no. Let's see. B to A. B to D plus D to A. B to D is B to D is 2 plus D to A, which is 2, and that'll be 4. So we'll set that as 4. I'm pretty sure that's correct. So I'm going to say, I'll rewrite this table. So the final table is, and I'll write in a different color so we can differentiate. 0, 3, 4, 5, 4, 0, 1, 2, 6, 9, 0, 4, 2, 5, 6, 0. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. I realise you can't see me drawing it. There it is there. So that's where we go about doing the Floyd-Warshall algorithm for all pair shortest paths. Remember to work your way through the matrix using and alternating the intermediary nodes between the other pairs of nodes. But that's the way we go about it.